So it's 3:40. Just finished unpacking a little bit of stuff at the house. Got done work a little bit early. So I am heading to the tree stand. Had a couple pictures of some nice bucks, and even at noon today there was some stuff roaming through. So I'm gonna head over there, climb up in the stand. I got one branch to trim off, but it shouldn't bother them too much if they hear the branch snap, because a dog ran through there yesterday and a buck come in behind him about 15 minutes later. So I don't think too much bothers them there. So we'll see you at the tree stand. About 20 after 4, and I'm all set up. I got my tree trimmed back quick, so it's quite windy, and it's not exactly the perfect wind, but it is a different wind than what has been going on for the last 3 or 4 days. I'm hoping I can catch him sneaking up out of the bedding area for a snack. Wind picked up, it's even worse now. Now of daylight, we'll see what happens. God helps from this spot. At last light, I climbed down out of the tree stand, and lo and behold, there I see a tail and that big old butt, big huge body, probably bigger than I've ever seen. So they didn't blow, they didn't really take off running. He just kind of scooted off. So don't know if it was that big buck. I don't know. It was just a big doe, but yeah. So now I'm going to give him a few days to calm down. I've seen a fresh scrape already starting, so, and a fresh rub on a tree that definitely wasn't rubbed before. And then a couple beds that were used recently. So I think I know where those big guys are kind of laying low now. And hopefully I'll be able to slip in there the next day and get them. But thanks for watching, and we'll be back to you soon.